Hello guys, welcome to my channel Bicycle Challenge. Today I shall share some 3.0 three semi-factor bicycles. Let's go. So I am going to start with Hero Sprint Monk. It has dual alloy rims and dual disc with front suspension because it is a Hartel model, and company provides 3-inch 3.0 tires, and company also provides bottle holder and bottles with this model, and the color option is matte black orange and matte black green. The next model is Snell Meta. It has dual disc and dual alloy rims with Hartel, means front suspension. Company provides a front quick release option in this model, and it has 3.0 3-inch tires, and the color options are matte black red and matte black green. The third model is Keystone Hugo. It has dual disc and front suspension and dual alloy rims with Hartel model, means it has a front suspension, and company provides front quick release option in this model and also 3.0 3-inch tires. The color options are matte black and matte black red. The next model is Strider Gelon. It has dual disc, dual alloy rims with Hartel, means front suspension, and company provides 3-inch 3.0 tires with this model. The colors option are matte orange, matte black orange and matte black green. This model is Strider Arsen. It has also 3.0 tires, means 3-inch semi-fat tires with dual disc, dual alloy rims, and it is a Hartel model, means it has a front shocks. And the colors options are matte black and matte silver. The next model is Vector 91 Skull Rider. It has dual disc, dual alloy rims with front suspension because it is a Hartel model, and its color options are grey green and grey red. The next model is Viva Race. It has dual disc, dual alloy rims and front suspension with front quick release. It has 3-inch 3.0 semi-fat tire, and the color options are matte black red and matte black green. The next model is Avon Calypso. It has dual disc, dual alloy rims with front suspension, and its color options are black, fluorescent green and black and stellar blue. The next model is Avon Nuke. It has dual disc with dual alloy rims and front suspension with 3.0 3-inch semi-fat tire. Its colors options are chrome grey and matte black and matte red and black. The next model is Avon Nuke Pro. It has dual disc, front shocker and dual alloy rims with bottle holder and bottle. Company provides 3.0 3-inch semi-fat tire in this model. There is only one color option, that is matte black orange and blue sticker. The next model is Leader Spartan. It has dual alloy rims and front suspension. It has front disc brake and rear view brake. Company provides 3.0 3-inch tire in this model, and there is only one color option, that is black and red. The next model is Nova High Trend. Company provides dual alloy rims and front shocker with front disc brake and rear view brake. Company provides bottle holder and bottle with this model, and there are 4 color options in this model. Those colors are fluorescent red, fluorescent green, fluorescent orange and matte black. If you think the video is helpful, please share it with your friends and give like to encourage my work. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get many more exciting videos. That's all my viewers. See you soon.